Hey everybody, check out my unboxing video. So here today we have this amazing big box and I'm so excited. Here I am cutting it with my scissors. Cutting it open, let's see what's inside. There we go, there we go. It's finally open. Now we gotta remove all this extra stuff that comes in the box. Get it out the way, get it out the way. All right. Oh, and here we have, some exciting sleep books. Oh my goodness. Look, it's my new book, I Can Hear You, Mommy by Jada Dove. Go check it out right now. And then this is the Tony and the Dove Express. This is actually my second published children's book. Then there's Tony Goes to the Hospital. That's the third. And then we have Tony, What Do You See? Yes. Head on over to Amazon right now, guys, or head to my website and purchase your copies. Any of these copies, they are amazing. Thanks for watching.